Hello and welcome. This challenge is called Nostalgia. It says I'm really bad at game hacking and I don't have a reverse guy in my team. So let's try it. I'm not a reverse guy, I'm a web guy. It says register and then it says login. So I'm gonna register first. Oh, it logged me in, okay. My score is 0 and it's a piano tiles like game. Sorry, I have dark mode so the colors might not look easy to spot, but it is. And I have to score 300 points to get the flag, but I can't get it in time. So let's take a look at the source code. We have this JavaScript code. It's a SHA-256 function. Good, great. And we have this stuff right here. We have a secret token and a token. We have our username. Let's scroll down and see what we can see else. Okay, we have this function which returns the hash, but the hash of the data, what's the data? Our data is our secret key concatenated with our username and our score. Great. This ensures that we don't manipulate the score, but they left the secret key right here in the open. We can get the secret key, add our username to it, and let's add the score we want, let's say 100,000. Then we can go to some website maybe, but let's capture the request first. Okay, now we have the request that sets our score. Great, good. Now if we try to change the score maybe to 1,000, yeah, it says invalid hash. 100,000, that's because we're going for that. We can go for any score we want, really. Okay, let's go to this website. It gives us the 256 hash of something. Let's put our string and let's change the hash. Let's get it and go to burp. Let's set the hash value. Yeah, great, it says score updated. Nice. Oh, okay, let's go here. Now our score is really 100,000. So where's the flag? Let's show the scoreboard maybe. Yeah, nice. Now the flag is here. And this was a warm-up challenge. And yeah, now let's go on to the more harder ones.